Centenarian Award. Can you guess how much this is? This is
100,000!
Can you guess?
100,000!
100,000. Oh, sige po, go ahead na.
Good afternoon to everybody po. Ang in-award po ni Mayor na cash incentives ay galing sa City Government of San Pedro, amounting to 30,000 pesos. Yun po, 100,000 sa national government, yun po ay i-award sa bahay ni Lola, pero hindi pa po sa ngayon. Iintayin pa po natin yung MCSC sa kanilang schedule. And then another 20,000 sa provincial government. Waiting lang din po yun. A total of 150,000 po. Ito po, through Mayor Art po, yung 30,000 pesos galing sa City Government of San Pedro.
Wow! Wapo, kamukha ni Gabriel. Angel, kamukha ni Gabriel yan, Angel.
We want to thank the government of Lian Laguna for such a beautiful award. And it's you, Mona Miguela. Grabe, 150,000 pesos! Thank you so much for your art. Together with Mr. Remedios and also Mr. Dino Basila, would love to call the immediate family members of Lola Ella, lahat po ng pamilya ni Lola Ella, for a quick photo opportunity here in front.
Mga magkakapatid. Yan na ni Ella. Hindi makakalakad. Nakauwi na lahat bago makarating.
Thank you so much for your art. And now, following this, kakasabi lang din po sa akin ng ating pong barangay ay mayroon din pong iniabot para kay Lola Elang. So do we have any representative from our beloved barangay?
Okay. From Barangay Poblacion, happy birthday po at maraming salamat sa contribution nyo sa ating komunidad at sa inyong pamilya. Happy birthday po.
Maraming salamat po. Here we now have our certificate of recognition given to Lola Miguela de Borja Medina. Muli ito po ay mula sa ating pinakamamahal na barangay. Maraming salamat po. Everybody, palakpakan naman po natin, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, we want to say thank you to Mayor Art Mercado. Mayor, salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa inyong oras na pinagkaloob sa amin.
Uwi na agad si Mayor.
Thank you so much. Now, everybody, bilang kasama na rin naman po natin si Lola Elang dito po sa baba, would love to take